So I want to make a quick video. Today has been very, very stressful. I've had a lot going on, but I sort of wanted to show y'all my progress and sort of show y'all what else I had to do. Yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so I finally finished all of my books, but I found out that these cubbies are for them. Like, that's where their backpack goes. So that was very eye-opening. Big yikes for me. I have their trash cans out. I don't remember if last time I showed y'all that. I have extra chairs, but I have to keep them in the room, and it's because I replaced these. This was my really first accomplishment of the day. Affirmation station, super cute. This, let me zoom out, is to be dealt with. Yeah, so they gave us like more school supplies, so everything is even more full. I got my printer in. This is the old one, only prints in black. This is the new one. Literally, they have to set it up, so I can't even print, and we don't have a color printer at our school, so that was really rough. Today I added the border at the top, but I didn't finish at the end all the way down there. So yeah, the books took me a long time. That, I honestly think I'm just gonna take it down and then just put the like work coming soon posters actually on the wall. Added like my little toolbox to the teacher workstation. So yeah, it's coming along, but it's taken a really long time. So what I was saying about the printer was like, we don't have a color printer, and it's crazy because this is only our second year, but there's not a color printer in the school. So everyone has their own personal printers with their personal ink for printing, and your printer has to be set up by like the county. Like, they have to come out and set it up. So I don't have access to printing, and we have professional development Thursday and Friday, and open house is Monday. So like, there's a lot that has to go on my walls that's not even printed or laminated, which is like stressing me out. But I know that I'm gonna go print it this after. Oh, did I show y'all my beanbags or no? I don't know if I showed. I think I showed y'all the rug. But yeah, those are the beanbags. They're gonna get dirty really soon, so I'm gonna enjoy it while it looks like this. So yeah, that's that.